Hey, you are putting the wrong glove on the wrong hand. Well, to be the right glove, but on the wrong hand. Hey, how y'all doing? How your mama and them? So we getting bundled up here to go for a ride, enjoying this sunshine. We hadn't seen it in a long time. So welcome to Blue Doors channel. We go for a ride and talk about stuff. I'm sick and popping out torn. I'll get back to farm and leave to town. Then got a pile with a TVA, bought a washing machine and a Chevrolet. Then songs with the South, big potato pie, and I shut my mouth. Hey, welcome back to Blue Doors channel on this cool morning. It was about 47 degrees, supposed to warm up to 55 today, I hope. Yep, put that down, see I can hear me. So we, Happy New Year's. So this could be the last ride of the year, but be the first video of the new year. No, it'll be the second video. Do we count dicking around in the shed as a motor vlog? Or just a vlog? Or just what? I don't know what you classify it as. Yep, so we're gonna run down to We Do We and have some We Do lunch and hit the wineries and then come home, because this is the Friday before Christmas. What, let's see, not the Friday, day's the 19th, day's Thursday. Christmas is gonna be slack this week this year because I ain't did nothing this week. Oh, Lordy. Truck been in the shop. I probably spent close to $4,000 on it, and then y'all wonder why I ain't getting the POS 10 fixed. Yeah, whether we're at motorcycles and go take trips and work on that thing. But I am going to try to get it. My goal is, new me, new year bullshit. I'm going to try to get it done. At least up and on the road. Get a tag for it and all, maybe. We'll see how it goes, but that's kind of a goal. All I like for the interior, well, stereo, and then I believe I figured out why the problem with the front not going up so good is it needs a bigger airbags on the front. I think that's the problem, so I'm about to redo that. Why don't we do that this summer? Been looking at head units. I want one of them screens that looks like this. Yeah, buddy. And yeah, so that's where we at on it. Wiring it up, getting the stereo stuff in it. I'm not gonna worry about the carpet. I ain't gonna worry about the seat. Probably had to buy new tires for it. No one had to buy new tires for it. So they's dry rotted and all. Hopefully rats ain't chewed nothing up on the engine rats since they ain't been running a year. Yeah. Oh, yep, already been that long. Anyway, that's enough about that. How your mama now? Y'all have a good Christmas? Anyway, I don't know what else to say. Let's see. We can talk about plans. I want to talk about me. We talk about you. Oh, my glove hand is thick. So we got to ride twice this week because I ain't working, and yeah, yesterday been a better ride day because it was up to 70. Yep, can you believe that? Up to 70 degrees yesterday. High day's 50. But she switched days or something. I don't know what the deal was. She ain't get a weekend off this month. Or December last month when you watching this be the 3rd of January, already into 2025. So I guess I was going to discuss, because I'm saving a dicking around for last year, what happened 2024s and all. Me, we'll just, yeah, video's gonna be slack for a little bit, I guess, because I ain't got none in the head. I ain't like road reality. But alright, here's what I want to talk about. Just plans for 2025, and you know, nothing set in stone, but we're gonna try to do a glam. That's Georgia motor meetup, motor vlog meetup, or come out and hang out and just ride. It's just only gonna be a one-day event, kinda. But if you want to come out, because we're gonna go up. Here's my plan. May. Let's see. I just looked at that, and then now I can't remember. God, my CRS. Just double checking. Plans on that. All right. The ride's gonna be May 17th. The motor meetup. If you're local and wants to come out and just hang out for a day, it's gonna be an all-day event. It's gonna start in Blue Ridge, Georgia. But I'm gonna go up to 16th and stay the night. That's May 16th. You know, get up there about 3 o'clock or so. So it's just gonna be like a half a day event, unless you want to meet up somewhere and ride up that way. You don't have to be from Georgia to come out. You just want to come out and ride the best roads in Georgia. The North Georgia Mountain Way, that's what we're gonna ride. Some people call it the gauntlet. Kinda, we're gonna do, my plan is to go down from the hotel, go down and run Highway 60 down the Suches. We'll probably stop in there at Two Wheel Searches and all, and then I'm thinking we go on over into Dahlonega and eat at the Smith House, because they'll be able to accommodate a bunch of people. It's a buffet. It's family style buffet, so you get fried chicken and about 7 or 8 fish. You probably check out that video there with me and Ray and Chestnut Mountain Tin Man and all went and eat there. Real good food, real good food. About $20 a person, I think, give or take. But you ain't gonna go away hungry, that's for sure. And then rounding up Blood Mountain back in the Blue Ridge and all that, up that way. Then come back to the hotel and maybe hang around and maybe find some place to eat. I'm gonna leave up to maybe T-Bone. Hopefully can work it out. We'll have a place to go eat dinner at somewhere maybe. I ain't talked to him about that. But we did discuss the month, and then the way I'm looking at it, that's probably be the first trip we take, you know, 2 days a trip. That's what I'm working on. Then you got Mr. Mustache's ride coming up. He's gonna start June 14th and go, no, March something. June 14th is ending day, so 22 days from June 14th is when he starts from, and it goes out west, and then come back around through the south. And I'm gonna meet up with him on June the 7th, and at in Birmingham, and at Riders, and then we're gonna head from there. We're gonna ride over to Buford, Georgia. I done looked at the route. I think if he approves it, we're gonna ride up 59, cross over through Gadsden, and then just run the back roads all the way through up around Atlanta. So it'll be a nice ride. Some of the Georgia mountain sceneries. And then we'll leave Buford, Georgia next day, have Buford, meet up there at the Harley Phasers, and then ride up towards Spartanburg to High Voltage Harley Davidson. Stay the night there. Next morning do that dealership, and then from there it's about a 4-hour drive all the way back to Chicago. Chattanooga. Well, you stop. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Did I not see your blinker to the last minute? All right. The sidetrack. Then went from to Chattanooga to Mount White Lightning on that following day, and then he's gonna head up to Lexington and West Virginia and then home. That's his 22 days, 22 state ride for Strive. Hope y'all can come out and meet us up somewhere along the way. Meet him up and meet us up in the south. Yeah, I'm gonna get with him and we're gonna talk some stuff out do a video about it, hopefully. In my mind, I'm thinking that. Talkative video, ain't it? Alright. And then after all that, that's in June. So in July, July the 10th, VAM starts. Tazewell, Virginia, 12th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and then everybody goes on the 13th, which is Sunday. Plan plans are to go up Monday and stay the week up there in Tazewell, Virginia, and do some riding around up in their area before everybody gets there and having the party start. Woohoo! That's FAM 25. I want to make it a big year, so invite somebody to come. First time there, you be wanting to come back all the time, because it's just a pretty area and everybody's so. Why is this car riding his brakes? My God, we ain't doing the speed limit. Patience, people. Then that's all plans I got for, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey you are. I just had a thought pop in my head and it popped out again. Oh, really? Here it is. You know, you're watching too much YouTube. When you're watching TV, you go to leave a comment about whatever you just seen on TV. Especially when you're watching Roadworthy Rescue with Derek, you know, from Rise Up Garage. Yep. Yeah. I wonder what Motorbomb Virginia's doing right about now. Speaking of watching too much YouTube, there's a commercial on there, and it says, I forgot what it says. Oh, it says, there's no rules. There's no, does it say there's no rules? There's no boundaries. There's no rules. But the only rule there is, it must burn gasoline and run on 2 wheels. That's gotta be the stupidest thing. You just said there was no rules, and then you come back and say, well, the only rule there is it's gotta burn gasoline and run on 2 wheels. Oh, me, that's just, you know. Oh, well. Oh, we pull out. They just pulled out from right back there to go down here and turn. He said, wasn't that far ahead of me. We coming in the wee-doo-wee. That's what you say when you come in over the hill. You go wee-doo-wee. Is that a church or a school? That's a school. Look like a church. Oh, me. Alright then. So we're gonna go to this new restaurant we ain't never been to before. eat. Hopefully it's open. Last time we tried to eat there, it was closed. It was also like 2 days before Thanksgiving. That was last year. But here we are. We. Something's on fire. Fire! I say there's something on fire up there. Oh, we gotta turn this way. We. Then we'll go to the We Winery. Alright, the winery's right over there. I didn't show us leaving. I'm doing it again, putting the wrong glove on the right hand. But I didn't show you leaving the restaurant, but it's pretty good. I've had better burgers. So we're gonna head up towards Heflin, Alabama. We'll see you down the road. Well, we made it up here to Heflin, Alabama, the High Country Cellar. Cellar, as in the cellar, you put your harvest in the cellar. Yeah, it's right up here on the right. If they open, what is that? Bama Guns and Outfit. I'm about to check that place out. We ain't the only ones out riding and enjoying this last pretty days of the 2024. And we're coming up on High Country Cellar, so I guess we'll catch them. Are they gonna stop? They gonna go there too? They're hitting their brakes. Are they gonna go there? The gates open? Nope, they ain't going there. But they open. It says open. Look, we open. Winery open. Open. Welcome. 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 Welcome, welcome, welcome. Go down here in this hole. She got 6 bottles at We Do-We Winery. We Do-We. Yeah. Had to watch this heavy, thick gravel. Especially when you turn down here. First gear. I mean, they packed it down. We'll freaking find out, because when I fix to start turning, that's when it's going to start. Huh? That's still a little thick. Thick. We'll be right back after this station identification. Wow, that's a thick spot. Found the thick stuff. Whew. Yeah, she got 4 bottles there, so she got 10 bottles today. But that's enough to do a couple weeks. Oh my. I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Or can you say have a Happy New Year? I hope you had one. Well, I hope you had a celebrating New Year's and all that good stuff. Huh. What they building there? Alright then, y'all go check out that video right about there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on down the road and all that good stuff. Now, what I mean now.